So this will be a drop test with case featuring the iPhone XS Max, as you can see right here. Now I do have this case, or this phone, in a hybrid case, as you can see. Plastic back with a TPU border, and there's some reinforcements on each corner of the device. And this phone also has a screen protector on it. Now I'm thinking that for most people, they're gonna set up their phone this way. They spend $1,000, $1,500, even $2K on a phone. You would think that they would have a case on their phone, right? So I think this is the typical setup. A simple case, not too thick, but still provides a good amount of protection, and a screen protector. So if you have a phone set up like this and you accidentally drop it, what's gonna happen? So let's do that right now. So this is my iPhone. We're gonna do 3 drops. The first drop will be taking it out of your pocket and you mishandle the phone and then you just drop the phone. So I'm gonna simulate that right now. So here's the phone. Taking it out of my pocket and I'll just drop it. So I'll do that right now. In 3, 2, 1. So let's take a look at that. That looked like a face down drop first. And so you can see, no damage to the front screen. So this case does have a pretty good front lip in the front and the glass screen protector. So it's doing its job. Very nice. All right, we'll go on to the next drop right now. So this drop will be, let's say you're walking around, you're texting, you just have your phone like this, right? One-handed like this, you're walking around, whatever, and then you just mishandle the phone and you drop it like this. So I'm gonna do that right now. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, that looked like it landed on the back, but as you can see, the case is doing its job, protecting the back of the phone, and there's also a lip around the camera lens, which I'd have to say will be probably the most vulnerable point of the phone. There's no protection on the lens or anything, it's just the lip around it. So if you're dropping it and not a flat surface, potentially a rock or whatever might hit the camera lens, but I don't think that happened here. I'm looking at it right now real quick. Yeah, there's some damage in the corner of the case, right there next to the camera lens on the left side. Also a little bit on the corner right there, so you can see, and a little bit on the bottom too. Let me focus in. All right, pretty good. But overall, performing really well. The case and screen protector is doing its job, protecting this $2,000 phone. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the next drop. This drop is gonna be a little bit higher up, around head level-ish. Let's say you're taking a selfie or you're doing your IG vertical stories. I'm about 6 feet tall, so to give you a reference. So you're doing this, and then something happens, you mishandle the phone and you drop it from this height. What's gonna happen? So I'm gonna simulate that right now. 3, 2, 1. Okay, looks like it landed in the corner, I think. Hopefully I got that on camera. We'll take a look at the phone right now. And from the front, I think it's already previous damage. Maybe this might be new right here in the bottom right corner so you can see. And then on the back, yeah, I think this stuff was already there from previously. Yeah, cool. So performing really well here. Case and screen protector doing its job. All right, we'll do another drop, and that is you're talking on the phone. So you're gonna have your phone up next to your ear, and then something happens, you mishandle the phone and you drop it from head level again. So I'm gonna try to simulate that right now. Okay, here's the phone. I'm gonna just point it at the ground like this. And so have the phone next to my ear. So I'm just gonna drop it right now. In 3, 2, 1. Woo! Now I think that landed on the bottom corner, I think. Not really too sure. But a little bit more scuff marks on the bottom of the case. And yeah, I think the stuff on top is from previous. Yeah, I don't think that's anything new. All right, so overall, this is performing like a champ. So yeah, I mean, you should have your phone in a case. As you can see, it will really protect your phone and your screen. You should have a screen protector on your device. All right, I'm feeling a little bit ambitious. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna throw this phone. And I wanna see if I can inflict some damage on it, because this is not good enough for my standards. I mean, yes, I know the phone is in a case and a screen protector, but I wanna see if I can still do some damage. That's what I wanna do right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw this phone out in this, like, just throw this phone and then just see what happens. So let's see, how am I gonna do this right now? So I'm just gonna, whoops, almost mishandled the phone. So here's the phone, so you can see. So I'm just gonna just toss it and see what happens. And let's go. Woo! So let's check it out. Yeah, I'm not seeing any damage other than what was there previously. Yeah, this thing's performing like a champ, man. Wow, very nice performance. All right, so I think I'll call that I think I'm gonna call that. So I'm gonna check the phone itself now. I'm gonna take it off of the case. So just give me a second here. I'm gonna try to do this right now. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna take the phone off its case. We'll check the actual phone. There, so you can see. And then, let's see, I'm gonna just yank the screen protector off. Don't need that anymore. Okay. Pick this back up. And let's check it right now. Looking at it with no protection now. The screen is in perfect condition. And then flipping the phone over in the back, take a look for yourself. Absolutely no damage. On the device, looking at the corners. Yeah, this phone is in perfect condition. Turn on the screen real quick. Yeah, I don't think that's a scratch. That's just from my residue from my fingers. Scrolling around, going to settings. Yeah, this phone is perfect condition, mint condition. So what do you take from this video? Always have your phone in a case and screen protector, plain and simple. Save yourself the headache of breaking your phone and having to go through insurance and all that ish. Cool. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this quick little video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.